Autorefractometer G-Matronix RK30 Plus. Today I'm going to tell you about this Autoref, how to use and how to check that your Autoref is okay or not. First I tell you about parts of Autoref. It's joystick for up and down, head, manual, reading switch when you will use Autoref in manual mode. There is two lock, basic lock and movement lock. Manual chin rest, knob for up and down. Whenever you check your Autoref with keratometer, you need this dummy eye first. When you will take reading, then if your reading will be minus 5.25D, it means your Autoref is okay. If you will get another number, it means your Autoref is not okay. First check your dummy eye is okay fit or not. See, it's okay. One power cord for Autoref with keratometer. On G-Matronix RK30 Plus Korea. Left right indicator, right and left, right, left. See, reading spherical cylinder axis. Autoref always take distance vision reading, not near vision. Cylinder mode has plus, minus and mix. We will use always mix. Auto and manual mode available. It's control panel. Whenever you up the cover, there is sensor available. Your button will be changed. See, auto and manual mode. This is brightness switch and this is cylinder switch, plus minus mix. When you will put off your cover, then your button will be changed. See, reading switch, reading clear switch and print switch. I will show you. I will change now. That is only refractometer. You can make only keratometer, CLBC, R and K, ref and keratometer both. Now I will take reading and show you. I will clear focus first. See, up, it will take 3 readings in auto mode. Now I will make manual mode. Manual, reading switch, seven, 8 and 9. You can take 9 reading in manual mode. I will show you. See, average, and if you will take a human eye reading, then you can see also PD, pupil distance. So print. See, you can write your company name also. You can make that setting as you want, but default setting is I tell you. Ref is step 0.25, X is step 5. This is up and down button. Here is mention also, measure switch and print switch. Select 5. VD will be 12. Yes, that default. KRT step will be 0.25. KRT mm will be diopter. R1 R2. Okay, print set 100%. Screensaver. Company name you can mention also. So it's very easy to use. It's very flexible. See. Moment lock. Because it's very smooth, so you can lock also your movement. It's dust cover. When you will off your Autoref with Keratometer or Autorefractometer, you have to put your lens, your cup. Otherwise your lens will be useless. Then switch off Autoref with Keratometer. Best lock technique is first and then lock. Okay, and movement lock. Done. Its accessories is one extra printer roll, one cover, one chingless paper pack, manual, and dust cover. Now your Autorefractometer is safe from dust, and you can use this Autoref at least 10 years very easily if you will care about it. Thank you guys for watching my video.